Hi guys, welcome to my channel and another monthly vlog of stuff I couldn't put into any other videos. And this month is June. Kicking off in McDonald's with a McDonald's breakfast, which has become something of a Monday ritual for Eddie and I, mostly because the McDonald's app usually have a deal on a Monday. It's not always a breakfast deal and it's not always one that we can use. Today it wasn't, but we do like to take advantage of that. That's our excuse and we're sticking to it. So I'm having a flatbread, not feeling the hash brown today, so didn't get one. Did go for a Biscoff McFlurry though, so my not liking Biscoff face is short, and a large toffee latte because man, I need caffeine. But I thought I'd film the intro just while I'm sitting and waiting for Eddie to bring the food over. So yeah, that's done. Hopefully the rest of the month will be a bit more exciting than this. These creme brulee brown sugar frappes from Starbucks are quickly becoming the drink of the summer for us. Today is wet and miserable, but I am here in the town centre with all my D&D stuff. I've got a backpack, shoulder bag and my box of minis. I'm just going to go via Costa to get my favourite drink with a shot of coffee in it, because I think I might need it tonight for the session. So yeah, I'm just off to do that. We have a guest player joining us because one of my 5 regular players has a friend who lives in Germany over for a visit, and his friend is a gamer, so he was going to miss the session, and I just said, why not bring your friend? He's never played D&D, he might like it. So his English is apparently good, which is a good thing because my German is negligible, to say the least. Ich kann ein bisschen Deutsch sprechen, but not very much. So Costa and then Castle Comics for 4 hours of mayhem, of which I am in charge. So here is where I'm going to be playing today, in the kitchen. So I just need to get set up. I'll be sitting in this chair. Hi guys, I'm just driving home from the game and I've got to get out the car park using a token. Now I'm short and I always have to pretty much get out of the car in order to get the token to work. It's a nightmare. So I'm about to half climb through the window. Honestly, tall people, you don't know what this is like. It's horrible. And then the mad panic to drive through before the barrier comes down and try to get your seatbelt back on. It's not fun. Anyway, I'm going to drive, so I'm going to stop filming. Back in McDonald's because they have a new Galaxy Caramel McFlurry, and Galaxy Caramel is one of my favourite chocolates, so of course I couldn't resist. So here we have the new McFlurry next to my toffee latte because it's breakfast. Okay, let's give it a try. I think I prefer this to the Biscoff McFlurry. It's really good. Definitely tastes of Galaxy Caramel. Yeah, happy days. Calderglen Country Park. We see you. We know. We're approaching the doggy paddling pool, which we saw in last month's vlog, but I didn't film that. However, there's no dogs here. Well, one dog. We'd like to film the dog. It's not Cocker Spaniel, unfortunately, but there it is, having a brilliant time. Somebody's really happy, charging around with a ball in its mouth. Oh, that's why I love Cocker Spaniels.
Right, this is it. This is it. This is the big one.
Is it going to go in? Finally.
Come on. No,
No.
come on.
Oh.
Come on.
Yeah. Yay!
Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Is it in? Is it? It's not quite. It's.
No, it was in. It made a splash. It's in now.
Look at it go. It's just so full of life.
Yeah, they are bundles of energy. Heading to the town centre. I've just been to Lidl and I'm going to Home Bargains for some stuff. Probably not going to film in there, but it's so sunny and warm and just gorgeous. This is me rocking the Air Thrill socks. We're here at Air Thrill for someone's birthday and I got a ticket to actually go on the trampolines. I'm regretting this so much. Yeah, I'm alive. I think. The Kraken Chippy has just opened and is a new place. Classy lady that I am, I'm here in a bus shelter. Here's the sundae that I ordered, the salted caramel one. I'm not going to taste test it on camera, but I am going to try one of the chips. So here we have them. They smell amazing. Salt and vinegar only. Crunchy but fluffy. So good. In the barber's so that Eddie can get a haircut. I haven't had my hair cut in years and I really, really need to get it done. Whilst I was waiting and not filming, I was also playing this game on my phone called Tacticus. It's based on Warhammer 40k and it's highly addictive, but don't worry, I'm not even going to begin to try and explain it to you if you don't play it. Not something I thought I'd be interested in, but yeah, turns out I'm really competitive and wasting a lot of my life playing it, but I enjoy it. Busking at the town centre, not me, obviously. I managed to stand so that right between me and him. No. Random late night snack. Never had it before, but hoping it's good. The verdict on this? Disappointing. Wouldn't buy it again. It's a creamy filling, it's got a bit of crunch. The chocolate doesn't taste that much like Lindt chocolate. There's maybe just not enough of it, but yeah, it's a miss. Well guys, it's late night Kaz again and another late night snack. Something I've never had before. Itsu, crispy seaweed thins. Now I have recently discovered that I quite like seaweed crisps after a guy I play D&D with brought a pack to a game and offered us all one and I tried it. Surprisingly nice, like a prawn cracker. Eddie and I were wandering around the co-op just to see what was new and we got these. Well, he got them and I said if he got them I'd try them. So I'm going to try them. What the fuck?
It's like a sponge.
It looks wet. It's not wet, but it looks wet. Okay, I'm going to try and take one out. Oh my God, what the hell? It's like plastic. Are you really only meant to eat? Do you like take a little nibble or shove it all in? Oh my God. It's like... Noise is Eddie trying one. His face is not much better than mine. They're not getting...
Oh, Jesus.
Maybe Miguel will enjoy them.
Oh, that's like eating fish scales. Oh.
Yeah, guys, we don't recommend them.
No, it's landed on me.
So...
No.
We thought we'd see if the foxes like the seaweed any better, and I don't think they do. It's having a sniff. It's like, what is that? That is horrible. Where's the meat? Yep. Not even foxes eat it. So I got home and my garage door fell down. Great. There is a man coming to look at it and hopefully repair it. But yeah, Eddie's just checking that nobody's moved in. It's a very old mechanism. It's probably going to cost a lot, but you know, it could be worse. At least the car wasn't in there when it fell down. And it didn't land on anything except Eddie, and he's fine. Just rushing down to meet the guy he phoned. He's coming this morning. He was going to come this afternoon, so luckily we did get back from food shopping and McDonald's one day, but I'm supposed to be taking Eddie to work. So yeah, I also feel not well, like I'm getting a cold, so that's not good. Well, wasn't expecting to see this today. New garage door, very happy with it. They've actually made the garage wider. It cost exactly what they quoted, which is a lot, but it's good that it wasn't more. Didn't really think it would be less. So, and I can open it and close it, which is the most important thing. So yay. Hi, I have a cold. I feel probably about as bad as I look. Yay. I can't lie, I feel as bad as I look right now with this cold. It is really flooring me. I'm just trying to get on and do the stuff that I need to do, but I really haven't been able to vlog much because I just feel so bad. So apologies. McDonald's breakfast followed by Starbucks drink of the summer because they had no McFlurries.
This is superior to McFlurry.
Oh, that's you there?
Thank you. Thank you.
Cheers.
Yeah.
There we go.
Thank you very
Right,
much.
have a good day.
I'm in my garage to try and assemble some shelving. The ice cream van is just pulled up. Well guys, tonight is one of the nights where I'm going to collect Eddie from work and he's going to stay over, which is good because I'm going to need his help with building that shelving unit. I'm going to blame it on the fact that I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I got it partially assembled, but I wouldn't like to put anything on it, on the bit that I have assembled. So yeah, it's quite late and I'm really looking forward to going to bed. So I'm actually going to end this vlog here because I need to edit it tomorrow and get it uploaded. So it'll be out in time for Wednesday. And I do have a lot that I'm planning to do tomorrow, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to vlog any of it. So if I do, you can look for that in the July vlog. But for now, guys, thanks for watching. Sorry it's been short and probably quite boring, but, you know, I guess this is just life. Anyway, I need to go or I'm going to be late. Take care, guys. Bye. This way. No, that's this delivery. Whoa, how do I get out?
Let's drive through on the street.
We're going to be stuck going round and round and round. There we go. There's the exit.
Oh, the red car.
The red car and the blue car had a race. All red wants to do is... Do you know the advert? I could sing the whole advert.